So, hello everyone. I guess am I audible and visible to all of you? Can you please confirm, guys? I think everything is fine. So, let me start. I think my voice is good. So, I think let me just inform in the group. So, I think it would be pretty much clear from your side, and you can watch this that today I have mentioned that SBI and IBPS PO pre. Can you solve these quant question? So basically, guys, we are into the part that can you solve these questions? The point is this only. So let me just, because this is quite, I have made some of the question, and basically some of the questions are from the previous year. Okay, some of the questions are from previous year. So that would be great if you can answer me this. Let me just inform in the group. Okay, so before starting the class, let me just give you some of the points. I think my voice and everything is fine. So this is like for those who are preparing for IBPS PO pre and IBPS and SBI PO pre or any of the banking examination, they can watch this session. Okay. So guys, before starting, again, I would say to all of you that we have this thing in our mind, which is today winning strategy. We need to like always keep in mind that what is the winning strategy that we should have on the daily basis. So guys, today I would be giving you key, always be surrounded by the positive people, like, right, always be surrounded by a positive. So you should have a positive thought. Always remember, positive thought you should have. Why I'm saying that? Because you should have a positive thought, because the positive thought and positive attitude towards anything can give you the positive result. So that is the reason that I'm giving you that you should have a positive thoughts towards your exam. Secondly, as all of you know that we have a banking super elite one plan, all courses, 2000 plus tests and what not. SS2 all courses, 3000 plus live classes, 2000 plus tests with AI analysis, reattempt, PYPs, and many more, guys. Okay, live courses, mock tests. So in the normal, what you'll get in the super elite, which is present, right? Now let us start the today's class, and also you can join this Telegram channel, which is join our Telegram channel, which is Oliveboard bank exam by Oliveboard. You can join this, and also I'll give you at the last I'll give you my channel as well. So stay tuned. Okay. So let me start with the questions now. Okay. So I think I should start. So before starting the question, I would request all of you that please be attentive in the class. This is sure shot. Like I would say that if you will solve one of the questions from this class now, you are getting to learn. Like you are going to learn something different from these questions. Very, very important. Whether it is asked in SBI clerk mains, whether it is been asked in IBPS clerk pre, IBPS PO pre, SBI PO pre, this question will understand you, make you understand different concepts. Okay, so let me start. I think I should start. So first question, guys, everyone, with an option. First question with an option I'm giving you so that you can try. I hope these are pretty much visible to all of you. So let me give you the timer for this, because I want that you should have a timer for 2 minutes. So for this, I'll give you the timer for 2 minutes. Now, come on. If you guys are there, please solve. The cost price of an article A is X. The selling price, okay. The selling price, actually we are talking about the selling price. So the selling price of article is rupees X and the mark price is this much. I think this question is quite easy. So I think all of you can solve. Come on, anyone have answered this? Quite interesting question. Do like my sessions also. Come on, everyone. If you guys are there, come on, everybody. If you guys are there, come on, everybody. No one answered right now. So that's the point. You guys are not answering, but you should answer. Anyone in the class can answer this question. Come on. Selling price of article is X. Okay, fine. And the mark price of the article is 20% more than the selling price. So I have given you the enough time to solve, but you haven't. So we have, okay, very good, very good. A, 28, very good. Those who have answered, that's awesome. So basically, guys, what I'll say that selling price means selling price is given to us, which is CP is 100A. That is fine. And the MRP in this case would be 20% more, which is 120A. Is it right? I hope. Now the difference between the mark price and the selling price of the article is 600. From here, what is the difference? From here is 20A is the difference. And for 20A is it equal to 600, right? Okay, from here the value of A would be 600 by 20, which is, again, you should do it like fast. So value of A is basically 30. Now you got the value of A. If the ratio between the 40% of the selling price and the cost price is 3:7, okay, now the ratio. So basically, guys, they are saying that selling price according to you would be how much? 3,000, 1, 2, 3. But the ratio if the ratio between 40% of the selling price and the cost price is 3:7. This is very important. 40% of this means how much? 40% of this means 4 12, which is 1200. This ratio is what? 3. If this is 3, 1 would be 400. Am I making sense? I hope am I making sense? If 1 is 400, then the other part, if 1 is, then the 7 part would be 7 into 400, which is 2800 would be my answer. In this, you should not have any doubt. Again, learn the algorithm. First, they have understand the algorithm. First, they have given you the selling price, then they have given you the mark price, then the difference, and then everything was like so much easy. So I hope that many of you have solved this question. That's very good. Come on, let's go for next one. And these questions have higher chances to be asked in the exam. Let me just say you one thing. These questions have the higher chances that they should be asked in the exam. Very much higher chances. Come on, try. Do share the session, everyone. Solving. I hope I've given you the timers now. You can solve this. Please solve. We don't have much more time, I think. Let's understand. That is why the reason I've taken such question. The cost price of an article is 550. Guys, first of all, they have given you the cost price, which is how much? 550. That is fine, no? Okay. Now the marked up price by X percent above its cost price, and the shopkeeper also allows a discount of 30% on the mark price and earn profit of 12%. Now they are earning basically how much? They are earning profit of 12%. What do you mean that if they're earning profit of 12%, then 12% of this part would be how much? Can I say this is 66? So from here what I can get my selling price. So my selling price where here would be 66. See guys, all these lines are none of my usage. I just use this line where profit was mentioned. Please. Now you have given a discount of 30%. Now understand. Always remember, when we talk about mark price, on mark price when we give discount, then only we travel to the selling price. Correct? Makes sense? Hope you getting sense. 30% of this is 6 is 18, means the mark price would be, MRP would be how much? 818. I think this much is clear to everyone. Not 818, it should be 880, sorry. It should be 880. Try to get this point. This should be 880, correct? Now they are saying that, now see, and marked by X percent. This is your X percent now. This is your X percent. I hope 550 becoming 880, increasing of 330. On 330 is getting increased on 550, isn't it? Which is 0 cancelled out, which is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of what? 550. 3 by 5 of 550 means how much? 110 means 33. Can I also say that the value of X is basically how much? Let it be. Don't find out this one. What is the value of X then? Can I say the value of X would be 60? Say fast. 60. Correct. Till now it's clear. No, first my thing. Till now it is clear. Try to understand each and every part. Now they have given that cost price of the another article is X plus 550. Now CP is given to me X plus 450 and the value of X is 60. This would be 510. So this is now again become 510. Now 510 and shopkeeper suffered a loss of 20%. So loss of 20% means how much? Loss of 102. So basically loss of 102. So it will become how much? 408. They are asking the selling price. This is your selling price because you have occurred your loss, which is 408. So the correct answer is C, but my point was not that. Okay, I'm repeating once. See, they have given you the cost price. Try to understand each and every line. They have given you the cost price. Then I have, see, these statements are of none use of mine till the profit point was given. Then the profit was given 12%, correct? Okay, we have given cost price, we have given profit, then I have calculated my selling price. That is fine. This is my selling price. Okay. Now, when I get my selling price, I should also know that this is when you get a 30% discount. Now, if you add 30% discount to this, you will land up to your mark price, isn't it? Because this is 30% less. No, this is 30%. Sorry, this is 30% less. If I'll add 30% of this to this, I'll get my mark price. Makes sense. Now this is markup. Now this is this traveling point. This traveling point is markup point. Correct? Yes or no? This traveling point is my markup point. If this traveling point is my markup point, then markup percentage would be what? Pretty much clear. Correct? Markup percentage would be 330 upon 550 because increment from 550 to 880 was 330 on 550. If you can also go, you can also write down that 3 by 5 and multiplied by 100 because it's a markup percentage. So 5 2s are 0, 6, 23s are 60. So the value of x is coming 60, isn't it? Because I haven't multiplied here by 100, then I need to multiply by 100 also, na? This would be 3 by 5. Understood? Every line is clear. If my x value is 60, then my CP was given like how much? X plus 540. I've added x. This becomes 510. Loss of 20%. There's a loss. So I'll subtract 5, 10, 20% of it, which is 102. So 102 will, then my selling price will become 408. Any problem in this? Come on, say. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. Arul agree. Arul agree. I hope you understood. Do like the session. Please write down that you understood this. How MRP? Acha, now you're asking how MRP. Okay. Now what is 30%? You need to see. Okay, let me just make you explain. We have a selling price and then we have a MRP. Get the concept. Okay. We have a selling price and then we have MRP. From MRP, if you want to go to the selling price, you get a discount. You give a discount. Okay. So from MRP, you give discount and then you travel to the selling price. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. This is fine. Now you have given selling price. If you will add the discount percentage to this, you land up to MRP. Correct? So basically in this question also, I have got my selling price and I have got my discount, which is mentioned here, discount of 30% in the question. If I'll add 30% of this to this only, 30% of 616 to this, 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Okay, and the percentage will get cancelled out. Then if you add, you will land up to 880. I hope this is clear now. I hope this is clear now. Please comment. Okay, fine. Let's solve this question. Come on. Another one. Two minutes of time. Please solve, everyone. Come on. These are very important questions to make you understand. Come on, guys, solve. Prashant sold an earbud. A small concept is also required in this. Okay, thank you, Ananta. Guys, you can like the session. You can share the session as well to your friends that I am live. These are very, very important questions, everyone, which you are doing here. And I would say to all of you that call everyone. Say them to join the class. Time up. Okay, time is up. Now let me just see what we are doing here. See, we have like, okay, now let us see, guys. So we have having a question. Prashant sold an earbud for rupees X minus 1000 and incurred a loss. Okay, he has sold something and he got a loss. Had he sold the for rupees X plus 800, his gain would have been twice the amount of loss. Okay. If the cost price of the earbud is itna and find the selling price of the earbud when it's sold at, okay, X by 360 multiplied by 100. So first concept in this. So guys, first thing you should understand 2 or 3 concepts. Okay. Which is what? When you will, like, if you want to travel to the selling price with the loss, if you want to travel with selling price to the loss, you add loss and then you travel to your cost price. First thing. Okay. Like if you have a selling price, you add loss and you'll reach up to the cost price. Okay. Second, if you have like selling price, this is, let's say this is 1. If you go for selling price 2, you subtract profit. If you subtract profit, you will again reach to your cost price. This should be known to all of you. Correct. Now let us understand the language. This is a small point that you should understand. And now let us understand the question. Prashant sold an earbud for rupees X minus 1000 and incurred a loss. Correct, no? Now, guys, X minus 1000 and he incurred a loss means sold. This is my selling price. And if he is selling, so I'll add plus A. Let's say he has sold with a loss, incurred a loss. Fine, everyone? Is this fine? And now they are saying that, see, if the cost price of the earbud is itna, so can I say this is equal to 8600? Again, relate to this line. Everyone, line by line, I am clearing everything. You can relate this line to this line. Correct. Now they are saying, now they are saying, had he sold the earbud for rupees X plus 800. Now again the sum changes. This becomes X plus 800. Now if this is X plus 800, his gain would have been at twice the amount of loss. If loss is A, the gain would be minus this. This should be with minus sign, no? This should be with minus sign. So with minus sign, this should be 2A, which is equals to again 8600 cost price. Is this equation clear to all of you? Is this equation is clear to all of you? Come on, say. Is this 2 equations are clear to all of you? If this is clear to all of you, can I equate this all? Yes, that would be fine, na? What I can say that X minus 1000 plus A would be equal to X plus 800 minus 2A. Makes sense? Come on, this would be making sense to all of you. This X and this X will cancel out. 3A would be equal to, now 3A would be equal to 1800. A would be equal to 600. Isn't it? Come on, say the value of A should be 1600. Is it clear, everyone? Say, is this clear, everyone? Come on, guys. Is this clear? If A is 1600, what should be your actual amount? Means X, now see, X minus 1000 plus 600 would be equal to 8600. From here you can figure it out, the value of X, and the value of X would be how much? 9000, isn't it? Come on. Ananta, is this clear? The value of X should be 9000. Wait guys. Now see what he is saying now. They are saying X by 360%. You need to figure it out. X by 360%. What is X by 360%? Now, see this, you have forgotten. X by 360 means 9000 by 360% means multiplied by 100. This is also been understood. So guys, this is directly goes 1 by 4. So basically, now see, find the selling price of the earbud when it is sold at itna % profit. If profit is this much plus 1 by 4, if profit is of, see, if you write profit is of 25% means it becomes how much? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 5 by 4. 5 by 4 of what? 5 by 4 of 8600 multiplied by 5 by 4. This is clear to all of you? This is would be your answer. Can you calculate? Can you calculate this? Come on, say fast. Can you calculate? Which is nothing but 10750. Is there any option? 10750. Option number B, which is 10750. Now let me rewind this. What I did, as I said, I have used this concept SP plus loss equals to cost price, SP minus profit equals to cost price. My two equation come into the picture, which is equation number 1, and then we are having equation number 2. And equating these two equation, I got the value of A. And this doesn't mean that I got my value of X. So putting the value of A in this equation, I got the value of X, which is 9,000. From here, I calculated the profit percentage, and then I calculated the selling price. I hope. Please do like the session, everyone. This is very important for all of you to like the session. Let's go for next problem. Try. Try this. We don't have much time. Come on, try. Anyone haven't answered yet? That is a problematic thing. So I think every one of you should answer. So time is up. So let me solve now. Vivek bought a chair for rupees X and paid 20%. So guys, first of all, if you read this point, Vivek bought a chair. So if I talk about the Vivek, what I can say now, Vivek bought a chair means let's X would be 100A. Why I say? Because anything we can solve in terms of X is very easy for us. So if Vivek is bringing out something, then CP is basically 100A. This is pretty much clear to us. Fine. Now he paid 20% extra as in tax. 20% extra tax means, so 20% of the cost price means tax he goes for 20A, correct? He spent X by 20 for transportation. X by 20 means again 100A by 20, 100A by 20 means 5A, okay? So transportation, if I talk about transportation, for transportation he is paying 5A. Is it clear? I think pretty much clear. Now the total cost price is how much? See, total cost price is 100 plus 20 plus 5, 100, 125A. This is total cost price, correct? Now they are saying if Vivek sold the chair at the profit of 40%. Now this is a profit of, now he is selling this chair with a profit of 40%. This is my 40% profit. 40% of this, 40% of this, 40% of this is how much? 50, because like 50 only na. If 40% of this means 50, how come? Because 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of 125 is basically 50. So this is called 50. So my selling price would be how much? 175. This is my selling price. I hope this is clear. Then the selling price of the chair would be equal to x plus 900. For me, this is equal to x plus 950, isn't it? SP equals to 175 from my, this would be 175A, like you can say A only, but according to that, it is how much? Quotient I have mentioned. So again, okay, fine. So basically guys, from here what I can say that 175A is equal to 100A plus 950, correct? 950. Okay, the answer is basically none of these. I will say you why. Because the value of A is basically 100, means 75. Okay. So in the down, the value of A is basically 950 divided by 75, which is none of the options. So that's why answer is none of these. Is this clear? Come on, say. Is this clear to all of you? Is this clear? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? I don't think so. Anybody would have doubt. Any doubt in this? Come on. Okay. So please, Devi Karan, please give me thumbs up if you're getting it. Try this question. Again, Vikrant, try this. First, perfectly read the question properly and then. Thank you so much. Read the question properly. Solve. Just read the question properly. Do like the session, everyone. No one? Okay, let it be. Don't worry, guys. It's okay. It's okay. I'm there for you. I'm just there for you. Vikrant bought 10 candies for rupees M. So let me write down 10 candies for rupees M. Fine. And 15 balloons for rupees. 15 balloons for rupees M minus 50. Is this clear? He sold each candy at candy at 25%, 25%, balloon at 20%, 20%. If the total selling price of the candies and the balloons, okay, now guys, understand one thing. You need to make one equation from here. Let me just show you how can you make one equation from here. Basically, what they're saying that if you sell, now just forget this, okay? M into 25% profit means 1 by 4 means 5 by 4, correct? So M multiplied by 5 by 4 plus. Because why? Because if the selling price of all candies they are saying, if the selling price of all the candies and balloons they are saying, this is the selling price of the candies. Now for what for the balloons? M minus 50, 20% profits multiplied by 6 by 5 would be equal to how much? 2M plus 30. 2M plus 30. Is this clear? This should be my equation. Come on, say everyone. Is this clear to all of you? If this is clear, now the question becomes very easy. Now this will become how much? 5 by 5M by 4. And this will become how much? 6 by 5 upon 6M by 5. This will become 6M by 5 with a minus of 60. Is it right? Yes. Which is again here you can write down 2M plus 30. 2M plus 30. Correct? I think this much is clear. Now what you guys can do, you can just go for a cross multiply if you want to go for. You can take an LCM 20. It will become how much? 25 and 4, 24, 25 and 24, it will become how much? 49. So 20 upon 49 M minus 60 would be equal to 2M plus 30, isn't it? I hope this is clear. Or you can also say that instead of 30, you can also calculate that this would be minus of 2M would be equal to 90. Correct? Is this clear, everyone? Now 20, this become 9M by 20 is equal to 90. This become 10 times the value of M is equal to 200. You got this? The value of M is coming 200. Is this clear, everyone? If the values of M is 200, they are asking what? Find the cost price of each candy. If this is 200, 10 candies cost is 200. Now see, 10 candies cost is 200. One candy cost would be 200 by 10, which is 20. So my answer is 20. Yeah, I calculated for single and then I added up, no? Yes, I calculated single and then I added up. I think this is not an issue. It's a fine, means it's a okay part, no? Both are same. We are not doing anything wrong in it. Yes. Understood now? Clear? Please say everyone understood, clear, yes or no? As I said, these are the different questions. So everyone needs to like keep in mind. So you, okay, fine. Come on, try this. It's okay, it's okay. Happens. Bit down means like 40 seconds. Let's go for 50 seconds. Now guys, I will be sharing this PDF on my Telegram channel, everyone. Just remember, I will be sharing the PDF on Telegram channel. So I want that some of you should try these questions. Very, very important. This is I will be sharing the PDF because I want that all of you should try these questions. Are very tough in nature. Can you answer this question? This is I will take like an homework. Come on. Let's solve this question. This is very easy question, guys. Now again a problem of ages. Okay, A is none. Come on, try this. This is a problem on ages. I think this is 2:3. Come on, solve. Can you solve? We have a new problem on ages. Ratio of age of A to B before 6 year was 2:3. Before 6 year means what? Let me solve one. A minus 6 is to B minus 6. Correct. Is basically 2:3 according to the question. While the ratio of age of A to B after 10 years means after 10 years they are saying that A plus 10 is to B plus 10 is what? 3:4. I hope you have learned my ratio method in my ratio classes. The difference is of 1 here also. The difference is of 1 here also. Correct. So can I say that the difference from, see the present, if you want to go for, can I say from here I can conclude one thing, that ratio of age of 6 year was and 10 year will be, means one ratio is equal to the travelling part of 16. Can I say that? From minus 6 to 10 you are travelling to the 16 parts. Guys, see, try to understand this point. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 until 10. You are travelling how much? You are travelling up to 16 parts. But from in terms of ratio, you are only travelling to 3, 4 and 2, 3. Only one part. Correct? In terms of ratio, you are travelling only one part. But in terms of quotient, you are travelling 16 part. Isn't it? 2:3. Is it right? Come on, say. So for here, from here, A age, exact age 10 years is to B exact age 10 year would be how much? 16 3s are 48. Correct? And this is 10 year hence, then the A present age would be 48 minus 10. That would be, can I say what? 48 minus 10 would be 38. Is this the present age of A? Of course. Now I can also say, if I write down like b plus 10, so b plus 10 would be 16 fours are 64. Then the present age of b, then the b not present age would be again minus 10, which is 54. Is this clear? These are the present age of a and b. Come on, say. If the present c, if at present c is 50% more elder than b, 50% present, 50% more elder, so c present would be how much? 81, no? Please say. C present would be 81. I'm just cracking out every part, guys. Now they're asking what? Then find the age of C before 11 years. Just minus 11 from here. Just minus 11 from 81. If you minus 11 from 81, what are you gonna get? You're gonna get 70. So C before 11 years minus 11 is basically 70. Is this clear? So your answer would come like 70. So the answer is neither option B, neither option C, neither option D. The option A, which is none. Understood? Come on, say. Everyone, please say understood. Please, guys, say understood or not. As I said, guys, see, I have done my classes in the in the series of MWF, means I'm taking class on Monday, then on Wednesday, and then on Friday. So like be there, because in the next class I'm going to teach problem on ages. If you remember, in the next class you can follow me on the channel. Let me just give you that what is basically you can follow me here also. Let me just show you. In the next class we are having what? In the next class we are having in the next class we are having what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. In the next class we are having problem on ages. So you can come and join me there, because there I will be teaching you problem on ages. You can just see in the Telegram, see in the YouTube channel that my next class is problem on ages. Okay, so on problem on ages. And if you are new to the channel, if you're like watching me for the first time, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can also join my personal Telegram channel. Okay, let me just give you the personal Telegram channel link. So this is my personal Telegram link. You can just scan the QR code and join me there. This is Quant by Agnimitra. In the channel you can have a chat with me. If you're having a problem, you can just personally text me. We are going to start the foundations. We have started the foundation series. We are going soon. We are going for live for mains also. Okay. In case any one of you are having a doubt, you can just join this channel. Okay. Every day, guys. Every day, not means MW. My timing is like MWF. You want this PDF? Then please say. If you want the PDF, please say MWF 10:30. Remember the timing. 10:30. Remember the timing, everyone. 10:30. These are my timings, so you can come to particular at this time. 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. You want the PDF? Come on, say. You want the PDF, everyone? Will you say that? Just comment yes. Okay. So join that Telegram. I'll give you the PDF. Just I'm giving you the PDF because see it is mentioning here to refresh. Just QR code is coming. You can scan or else I'll send you right now. You can scan this QR code to get the PDF. Fine. Or I'm just sending you in the group. Till then, bye-bye guys. I hope you really enjoyed the class. Bye everyone. Take care. Shining off Agnimitra. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.